Okay, so what we are supposed to do here in each of this the sentence given below, which is then divided into 4 parts, out of which 2 parts are grammatically correct and other 2 parts have error in them. 5 options are given with various combination of these parts. You have to choose the combination in which both part have error. Okay, so there's option A, B, C and D. So you have to choose 2 option out of these 4 options have error. So you have to choose the right combination of errors. Okay. For the Congress which have not won. Okay. For the Congress which have not won any state election. Alright. So can you see the problem right here? Can anyone see the problem? Yes, Congress, it is a party, it is considered as singular, okay? So for that we will not use have, because have we use for plural. So A has the error, okay? So we will strike out 3, 4 and 5. Barring Punjab after 2014, a victory here would help it. Cash on it elsewhere, boosting its campaigns in. Now, cash on, it should be cash in. It is a phrase. What is the meaning of cash in? To convert. Okay, to convert money. Okay, so cash in is to convert money. So cash in it elsewhere, boosting its campaign in other states which go to the polls later in the year. So the error is in A and C. The right answer is A and C. Yes. So I hope all of you got it. We will move on to the next section. I just want to ask, I don't see Sony today. Sony, are you here? Yes, he's here. He's here. Okay. And what about, I think, Murali? Lakshman Abhishek Naidu. Campaign or campaigns? Boosting its campaigns. Campaigns is fine. Okay, because they are organizing a lot of campaigns, so that's why it is plural. Alright, moving on to the next section. Okay, so the same type of question again. More importantly, the party is now attempting to forge a distinct social support based across. More importantly, the party is now attempting to forge a distinct social support based across. Do you see an error there? Is there a problem? Yes, there is a problem. And what is the problem? More importantly, the party is now attempting to forge a distinct social support. Based over here is being used as verb because we are using the ed form. So it is being used as verb over here. But that should not be the case. No, more importantly is absolutely fine, Sony. There is no error, and you can say you can use it in comparative degree as well. More importantly, okay. Out of the two, which one is more important? Okay. So the error is actually when the use of the word base. Okay, here we are using the word base as verb. Okay, instead of that we are supposed to use it as replace it by base. Okay, as a noun. Social support base. Okay, across the country, which involves overt recognition to religious belonging as a counterweight to Hindutva agenda, reaching out the farming community as a whole. Okay, where is the error over here? Let's read it once again so that you okay, the country which involves overt recognition. What is the meaning of the word overt? Anyone? Yes, A and C is the error, but who can tell me what is the meaning of overt and what is the meaning of counterweight? Alright, so till you guys tell me the meaning of both of the words. The country which involves overt recognition to religious belonging as a counterweight to the Hindutva agenda, reaching out the, what is reaching out? Reaching out is a phrase. Okay, so reaching out the, you usually reach out to people. Okay, so reaching out means connecting with people, connecting to someone or connecting to a community or like it is mentioned here, farming community. So it should be reaching out to the farming community as a whole. So the error is in A and C. Yes, shown openly or done openly. Yes, so, it is that is the meaning of overt. Okay, and what is the meaning of covert? Covert operation that they say. So covert is the opposite of overt. Covert is a very secretive operation. Okay, it is not done in the open. And what is the meaning of counterweight? Yes, like the word itself says, counterweight as in there's a weight and you have to counterweight it. Okay, so balancing in order to counterbalance. Yes, Neelam, you're right. Alright, so so we are done with this one. Let's move on to the next one. In other words, the Congress has increasingly veering. What is the meaning of the word veering? Till you guys tell me that, let's move on to the next one. Okay, veering means, before you guys tell it to me, I will tell it to you, change direction suddenly. I think we have done this word as well before. Veering. Okay, in other words, the Congress has increasingly veering. Okay, here is itself the error. These ones, most of the errors are in 1 for some reason. So what should be the right word instead of increasingly? Now, in other words, the Congress has increasingly veering. Okay, now round a package of values such respect to religious commitment, social justice and equality, and human dignity as its mantras without necessarily disowning secularism. Okay, now instead of changing increasingly, we can, if we just make this is, it will make the entire statement all right. In other words, the Congress is increasingly veering round. Okay, so we do not have to change the ly over here. All right. So that is the error. And next one, round a package of values such respect to. Don't you think there's something wrong over here? I think there's something wrong over here. Round a package of values as will round a package of value with respect to, yes, not with respect to religious commitment. Right. So the error is in A and B. The right answer is 2, A and B. Moving on to the next one. Caste has always been important. Since it is an article that should be used here, we'll quickly do this one. So the error is in, this is a very distinctive and clear error. Caste has always been an important factor in the political process of Karnataka since wider ideological struggles such as the non-Brahmanism in the erstwhile. What is the meaning of erstwhile? Preceding. I think this also we did last time. Okay, preceding Madras or Bombay provinces, or socialism in Kerala, and the United Andhra Pradesh has not leave much. Okay, right here is the error, not left. It should be, because the statement has to be in past, not left much of a trace here. So the error is in which and which statement? A and D. All right, yes, right, this one was pretty simple. Moving on to the next one. Last one of this section. In the 1970s, Devraj Urs, the then chief minister, have tried. Okay, we are talking about a single chief minister, right? So why are we using have here? It should be, and since we are talking in past tense, it should be had tried. Okay, had tried to reinforce the base of the Congress party among the backward classes, the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and minorities by land reforms and an assertive reservation policy. Okay, and minorities. What did he try to do? He tried to reinforce the base of Congress party among the backward classes, among these category of people and minorities. How How did he try to do this? Through land reforms and an assertive reservation policy, and undercut the importance of Lingyats and the Vokaligas, the two dominant communities. Alright, so the error is in option A and C. So first one has the error.